Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this lighting. In this I have ordered lights in it. I have purchased this from you can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart. I have put my in the description. You can check it out from there and purchase it from there. And let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First just open it, this packaging. You can see this. I have purchased it from the Flipkart. Let's open this. It's a cardboard box. Then you have to just simply cut this, and here you have to just open this. And friends, in this you will see this thank you for your purchase. We and other shoppers would love to know what's your experience with us. And you can see this, it is a bulb like structures. And let's open this, and there are total of 5. You can see this. Let's check its power. And friends, let's check this. First we have to open this, and this is the plug, and this is the small remote. You can see this. Let's unwrap this first. You can see friends, this is the push button, and there are you can see combination in waves, sequential, slow LO, flash, slow fade. There are lots of option here. Let's put it in this. And friends, you can see this, it is on, and there are lots of lights. You can see pink, yellow, red, black, brown. And let's change the color of it. You can see it is blinking. This is how you can change it. I hope you like this video. You can purchase it from my description. I have put it that link on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.